So Kickoff do have a loan program where you guys can pay $10 per month for 12 months, and they're going to report a $120 loan onto your credit reports. But it's more of a secure loan because you guys are using your own money. After you guys pay that $10 per month for 12 months, that $120 that you guys save, they're actually going to send it back to you guys. So let's go ahead and look at that Kickoff loan. So this is their credit builder loan. When you ask if it's a loan, this is their credit builder loan right here. If you guys already have like student loans reporting, a car payment reporting, don't worry about this one. Do not worry about this. This is for the people that don't have anything at all. They fresh out. They want to get some type of account on their credit reports. They can't do anything. This is that account for them because they don't charge any interest at all. And I'm pretty sure they're going to change. They just got it very low now, so a lot of people can do it. So it's just $10 per month. I'm pretty sure they're going to change it. But this is the credit builder loan account right here. So far, I paid $90 so far to them. I have to pay all the way up to $120. So I have 3 more payments to go. I have it set up on auto pay, $10 per month. And again, I opened this account January 28th. 0% APR. They're not charging any fees at all. They just have my card, and then they're running those payments on this card. So yeah, this is their loan account right here. So my next payment is going to be due on the 17th. They're going to take that $10 out of my account.